I turn the key, nothing happens. I got a new starter, got the battery tested, so that should be good. So I don't know why it doesn't start, nothing happens, but when I move the steering wheel up and down, a lot of the times it'll start. So I'm thinking it's some kind of wire in the ignition, or not, the ignition switch or a wire in the steering column, like that. So now it just starts right up, no problem. But if I try starting it with it up, nothing happens. So I don't know what it could be. Give me ideas, because the only thing, like I said, I could think of is either ignition switch problem or some wire being pinched. I don't know. I can't think of anything. So yeah.